is my Niacinamide and Hyaluronic Acid brightening and moisturizing facial toner. Now, this is formulated with the safest of ingredients to naturally brighten your face. It is formulated with niacinamide to help get rid of dark spots and brown spots and also hyperpigmentation. This toner is going to leave your face hydrated all day long, and it is suitable for all skin types. So if you're having any issues with pigmentation, if you need to brighten your face naturally without using any chemicals whatsoever, then this is the toner for you. If you have sensitive skin also, this is a very beautiful toner for you. Before we go ahead into formulation, do take a moment to click on that subscribe button below to join the Bloom Skincare family, and also turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, now we're going to start our formulation, and the first thing we're going to be needing to get done is to create extract. Okay, we'll be making this toner with carrot extract. Remember, it's a brightening facial toner. So the first thing we're going to need is a large carrot, and this is mine all cleaned. So we're just going to go ahead and grate this down. Now we're grating this down because we are going to extract the juice from this carrot, and that is what we're going to be using for our toner. This is going to be a very simple and a very natural recipe. Remember, this is going to be used on the face, and we want it to be as safe as possible so it can do its work. It can lighten your skin, it can moisturize your skin without giving you any adverse reactions. So guys, now that we have grated carrots, what we're going to do is to introduce some distilled water to this. Okay, so make sure you're using your distilled water or rose water for this part of this formulation. Do not use ordinary water, do not use tap water. Distilled water or rose water, that is all that is acceptable for this. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to double boil this for about 30 minutes on really low heat just to extract the entire juice. So we're also going to sieve the juice. After doing that, this is what we have as our result: our sieved and our extracted carrot juice. Okay, so this is what we're going to be working with. Now here I have my niacinamide powder. We're using niacinamide at 5% in this formulation. Okay, so niacinamide at 5%. Now this powder is going to help get rid of your spots, dark spots, brown spots, and hyperpigmentation, and it's a water soluble powder, so it's very good in this formulation. So now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be dissolving our niacinamide powder. And to dissolve our niacinamide powder, we'll be using our carrot extract, okay? So we're going to be using about 85% of our carrot extract in this formulation just to dissolve our niacinamide powder, okay? Please guys, remember that when you're making this, ensure to use your scale, ensure that every item you're using is extremely sterilized, okay? You always have to be extra careful when it comes to making face products. Next, we'll be adding in our other active, which is our hyaluronic acid, okay? So you can use the powder if that is what you have available to you, or you can use the liquid just as I am. The powder is also soluble in water. So we're going to be adding our hyaluronic acid at 2%. This is going to help with moisturization, okay? It's going to help keep your face hydrated all day long. It's going to help attract and lock moisture into the skin, so you don't have to worry about your face drying up. So the next thing we'll be adding into our facial toner would be vitamin E oil, okay? So vitamin E oil is a powerful antioxidant. It's going to help moisturize your skin. It's going to help give you that supple, soft and youthful skin that you're looking for. If you have the capsules, you can use the capsule. If you have the organic oil like I do, you can use the organic oil. It's all just very fine. Just make sure you use your vitamin E oil. All right, we'll be going in with broad spectrum preservative, and our preservative of choice for this formulation is our Jamal Plus, okay? You guys already know, if you're an OG on this channel, you know that this is my favorite preservative because it literally goes or pairs well with anything you want to make, be it oil based, be it water based, be it facial products, be it body soaps or emulsions. Jamal Plus has got you covered, okay? So aside that Jamal Plus, the next ingredient we'll be adding to our toner would have to be our propylene glycol. Now, as you know, propylene glycol here is also going to help with moisturization, but more importantly, is going to help make sure that all this products, all these actives and ingredients penetrate deep into the skin, okay? Penetrates into the innermost layers of your skin. It's going to help your product work faster, and you should generally just use your propylene glycol in your products, okay? Now finally, we'll be going in with our essential oil, and of course for a facial product we'll be using our tea tree essential oil. This is going to help us dry out facial acne and take out facial scars And again, one of the reasons why I like tea tree oil is because of its scent. It smells so beautiful. At this point, all our ingredients have been added in. All that's left for us to do is to give this a good stir, make sure everything is combined, make sure all powders are properly dissolved, make sure there are no particles left in this product. Okay, so since all this has already been confirmed, I'm just going to go ahead and turn this into a spray container which I'm going to use for my face. So using this toner, it should be used morning and night. Okay, it should be used after cleansing your face, then you apply your toner, then you go ahead to apply your serum and then your moisturizer, and so on and so forth. You should know the proper way to layer your face routine. So guys, here you have it, our final result. This toner is going to brighten you up with consistent use. Okay, it's a natural toner. It's not going to bleach you, it's not going to disrupt the pH level of your skin. In fact, it's actually going to help restore your face back to its original pH after using your cleanser. Okay, so another thing I would like to say is that if you have watched this video for this long, it's clear that you've enjoyed the video. I would like you to take a moment to click on the subscribe button below. Okay, turn on your post notification bell so as you can be notified every time I new video. Thank you so much for the love, thank you for the encouragement, thank you for subscribing. You guys are the best. Okay, until I come your way next time in the next video, do remain blessed.